Once upon a time, in a faraway digital land called Cryptonia, lived a clever little robot named Jonny Blockchain. He wasn't just any robot, no, Jonny had circuits full of super smart algorithms and a heart full of adventure. Every day, Jonny helped the people of Cryptonia trade shiny digital coins, called cryptocurrencies, keeping them safe, smooth, and scam-free. He lived inside a magical control center made of glowing screens, flying data packets, and blinking buttons. But one night, just as Jonny was about to recharge his battery and get some rest, an urgent alert buzzed across his dashboard. Treasure alert, the lost coins of PancakeSwap have disappeared. Jonny's circuits sparked with excitement. The lost coins were legendary, said to bring good fortune to the whole blockchain world. Without them, trades were slower, prices were wobbly, and the blockchain was, well, a bit grumpy. I must find them, Jonny declared. He zipped into the Metaverse Explorer 9000, his trusty digital rocket ship. Ring Planet first stop, Gas-Fee Galaxy, where Ethereum Trolls tried to slow him down with expensive tolls. Nice try, Trolls. Jonny laughed, using his Layer 2 speed boost to zoom right past them. Then came the Liquidity Lagoon, guarded by the sleepy Whale of Volatility. Jonny tiptoed, digitally, of course, and calmed the whale with a lullaby of stablecoins, letting him float quietly by. Finally, Jonny arrived at the legendary Pancake Forest, a place filled with syrupy sweet trades and flipping charts. Deep in the forest, he met a wise old turtle named Satoshi. The coins you seek, said Satoshi slowly, were lost because traders forgot the golden rule: only trade what you understand and never panic when the market dips. Jonny nodded. He scanned the forest with his scanner vision and beeped with joy. The lost coins were hidden behind the Tree of Fear, guarded by FUD, a shadowy creature made of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But Jonny wasn't afraid. He stood tall and said, "The blockchain is built on trust, knowledge, and cool-headed trading, not fear." With that, FUD melted away into the digital mist. The lost coins sparkled in the moonlight. Jonny picked them up, placed them safely in his coin wallet, and zoomed back to Cryptonia. That night, trades became fast again, the charts danced happily. All of Cryptonia cheered for Jonny Blockchain, the little robot who always keeps the network safe. And as the stars twinkled in the data sky, Jonny finally lay down on his charger and whispered, "Another day, another decentralized adventure."